So this client was obviously doing some pretty aggressive stuff with her hair. She was bleaching, she was straightening. There was some straightening treatments that were on there. And one of the things that she was having a hard time with was the breakage. And so we really got into that and to why that attributes so much to the breakage, to the loss, to the stringiness. But then she was also saying, but knots, I get super, super knotty. And those go hand in hand because when that random breakage starts to happen, it starts to knot up because there's so much confusion inside of the hair. So those knots equal more breakage. What was wild was when we opened that top layer up and we were able to take a look inside, we were able to see what her curl pattern actually is. And then even down at the bottom of that curl pattern, you're able to see where the curl just started to fall off because it had been, heat treated, chemically treated. So we had agreed to go at about shoulder length so I could get rid of a lot of that length. I'm going in and I'm just having a lot of fun pumping in some layers with my Hikari B-Dries. A lot of people want to say like, oh my gosh, you're wrecking the hair. And if you knew about these scissors, you would know that that is not the case. All to say, this was such a fun cut to do. I can't wait for you to see the after. One of the things that I want you to notice is the amount of water that we use in the hair. You can see how juicy and drippy this all is. Lots of water allows the product to penetrate. This is the shakeout process. We could loosen it up afterwards. And I absolutely love how this came out. This hit right where I thought it was going to hit, right about the shoulders. She was ecstatic. And this was just round one. I can't wait for her to see how her hair grows in and starts to react from the lack of doing all those like chemical treatments and all that stuff.